Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the most talked about credit cards on the market, the Apple credit card. If you've ever wondered whether this sleek modern card is worth having in 2025, then stick around. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know, from its features and pricing to its pros and cons, and you'll know if it's the right fit for you. Let's get started. The Apple credit card was first launched back in 2019 as a collaboration between Apple and Goldman Sachs, with MasterCard as the payment network. What makes it stand out from traditional credit cards is that it was designed with technology at its core. Instead of just being a piece of plastic that you carry around, the Apple card integrates seamlessly with your iPhone and Apple ecosystem, making it a financial tool that is built for the digital age. It's managed entirely through the wallet app on your iPhone or your iPad, meaning you can track spending, view transactions, pay your bill, and manage real rewards in real time. For those who love Apple's ecosystem, it's not just a card, it's an extension of your digital life. Now in 2025, the Apple Card has continued to grow in popularity. Millions of users rely on it for everyday purchases, not just because it's convenient, but because it offers real benefits like cashback, no fees, and tools that encourage better financial habits. It's also worth mentioning that you can use both a virtual card stored on your wallet app and a physical titanium card for when Apple Pay isn't accepted. And let's be honest, the titanium card is a conversation starter in itself. Minimalistic, sleek, and very Apple-like. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. Daily cash rewards. Instead of waiting every month to redeem your points, Apple offers cashback every single day. When you buy something using Apple Card, you get a percentage of your purchase back in daily cash. It's real cash, so unlike rewards, it never expires or loses its value. The Apple Card gives you unlimited 3% daily cashback on everything you buy at Apple, whether it's a new Mac, an iPhone case, games from the App Store, and lots more. And you also get a 3% daily cashback when you use your Apple Card with Apple Pay at favorite spots like Nike, Uber, Walgreens, and more. Now, when you use the Apple Card with Apple Pay, you get 2% cashback on everything. Another interesting feature is that there are no fees. There are no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no late fees. This is great. Apple is really big on pushing this no hidden cost policy. Financial transparency. Through the wallet app, you can see exactly how much you're spending, where your money goes, and how interest might affect if you don't pay in full. It uses color-graded categories to make your finances more digestible. Security and privacy. Apple puts a heavy emphasis on security. Your card number isn't printed anywhere on the physical card. Instead, it's securely stored in your Apple device. Every purchase requires Face ID, Touch ID, or a secure code. Apple also states that they don't sell your data to third parties. Installments for Apple products. If you buy an iPhone, a Mac, or other Apple products, you can finance them over monthly installments with 0% interest. That's great when you use your Apple Card. Integration with Apple Pay. Naturally, it works flawlessly with Apple Pay, making it ideal for contactless payments, something that's only become more popular in 2025. Now let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, the Apple Card does not have an annual fee. It is free. That's a huge plus compared to many other rewards cards. There are no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees, no penalty fees, no fees at all. That said, the APR is variable and it depends on your credit worthiness, but generally it ranges from around 19 to 29% in 2025. Like any credit card, if you don't pay your balance in full, interest charges can pile up quickly. Now, what are the pros and cons of using the Apple Card? First, the pros. It has a seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Daily cashback instead of waiting for monthly points, and the cashback doesn't expire. No fees whatsoever. Strong privacy and security features. It has a beautiful, durable titanium card for those who like having a physical backup. And there are easy financing options for Apple products. A very user-friendly experience as well, with real-time spending insights. Of course, the card is not perfect, so here are a few downsides that some have mentioned. First, the rewards are limited to Apple purchases and to select partners. And really, it's designed for Apple users. So if you don't own an iPhone, you basically can't use it. Also, this card doesn't have welcome bonuses or large sign-up rewards like many other cards. But of course, because it's totally free and there are no fees attached, then that might not be a downside. So having considered all of this, is Apple Credit Card the best option in 2025? Well, it really depends on the kind of spender you are. If you're already locked into the Apple ecosystem, well, it's honestly one of the best, most seamless, user-friendly credit cards out there. It's perfect for people who want simplicity, transparency, and a modern experience without hidden fees. And its integration with Apple Pay and the Wallet app makes managing your finances easier than most traditional banks can offer. Just that if you're not keyed into the Apple ecosystem, you don't own any Apple products like an iPhone basically, you really can't use it. So I'd say the Apple Card is great for Apple product users. It is absolutely one of the best choices you can make. And that's it on the review of the Apple Credit Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, Chase Freedom Unlimited, Citi Double Cash Card, and Capital One Quicksilver. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.